I haven't touched my vacuum in 2 months, but somehow my house is cleaner than ever. I know that sounds insane, but hear me out. I got this Shark Matrix robot vacuum thinking it'd be another gadget I'd forget about. But this thing changed everything. I used to put off vacuuming until my floor looked like a crime scene, then spend my Saturday morning getting all sweaty and annoyed. Now, I schedule this thing to clean while I'm at work and come home to floors cleaner than I ever got them. The self-emptying base holds 45 days of dirt, bagless, so I literally forget it exists. And it uses this matrix clean pattern, going in a precision grid with multiple passes. Way more thorough than my lazy weekend cleaning ever was. I have a dog, and this thing picks up pet hair like it's on a mission. The brush roll is self-cleaning, so no more tangled messes. It detects and avoids obstacles with 360-degree LiDAR vision, mapping your home precisely. Control it from anywhere with the app, or just tell Alexa to start cleaning. When the battery runs low, it returns to base, recharges, and picks up exactly where it left off. Look, this robot gave me back my weekends. Instead of spending Saturday morning vacuuming, I'm doing things I actually enjoy. If you think it's just a fancy gadget, trust me, your future self will thank you. The Shark Matrix Self-Empty Robot Vacuum. Smart cleaning made easy.